Hello students, in chapter 5 networking devices our next topic is hub. So we already discussed about in the introduction part hub. Hub is a device which is a purely hardware device. So what is the main reason of its purely hardware device and what are the main important points about the hub? Let's see them. Mainly, a hub is a device that operates only in the physical layer, means hub have only and only physical layer, no correspond data link layer, no network layer, not other layers, only the physical layers. Here we have this is a device number A and this is a device number B. They both are connecting through a hub. They both are connecting through a hub. This particular device number A have all the corresponding layers of the TCP/IP protocol, all the 5 layers of the TCP/IP protocol, and this machine B also have all the 5 layers of the TCP/IP protocol. When the packet is passed through the hub, this packet is only and only passing through the physical layer into the hub. Only and only in the physical layer into the hub. Means you can say hub is a purely hardware device. Purely hardware device means this one have no intelligence. Have no intelligence. This is a passive device, will not take any decision about the packet forward or packet forwarding direction. Mainly, what is a hub? A hub connect multiple workstations. So these you can say workstations or you can say these as a machines. This will connect the multiple workstations or multiple devices to one another. Mainly hub have different ports. You can say this is a port number 1, this is a port number 2, this is port number 3, this is port number 4. We have multiple ports in the hub and that can be used as a connecting point. Here through the port number 1 device number A is connected, through the port number 3 device B is connected. Here we can also connect one more device, here we can connect one more device. Means hub is mainly a multi-port device and the devices will communicate through one another. That's why we can say hub connects the multiple workstations or multiple devices, or it acts as a connecting point. It acts as a connecting point. Let's see the more about the hub. Mainly when a packet is comes to the hub, for example, this particular machine number A wants to send message to this one B. So in data link layer we already discussed about the hub. In data link layer, when we define a frame, this frame will contain first of all the destination physical address for example B, and then the source physical address for example A, and here is the data. This is the frame we want to transmit from device number A to device number B. Device number A to device number B. So hub is work as a broadcaster. Hub is worked as a broadcaster. We also call that one as a passive broadcast device. Passive broadcast device. Broadcast device. Frame is broadcasted here. Frame is broadcasted means frame will come here and this frame will pass to all the corresponding devices which are connected through the hub. A packet from machine A to machine B arrives at the hub and the frame is regenerated, means makes the multiple copies of the frame to mainly to remove any noise or any type of error comes through the particular cable, and hub forward this packet from all outgoing ports only except the port from which this frame is comes. Means forwarded in all the direction, forwarded in all the direction, forwarded in this direction to this machine, forwarded to this machine, forwarded to this machines. It means makes the multiple copies, makes multiple copies, or you can say flood and forward in the all directions or all the outgoing ports except the port from which this one is coming, not forwarding this particular port from which the message or the frame was received. And all the stations or machines which are connected in the LAN will receive the frame, this one also receive this frame, This one also received this frame, and this one also received this frame. They all check the particular destination address, all check this destination address from which this destination address is matching. Then that station or machine will accept the frame and other stations or machine will discard the frame. Here this frame is come, match the destination address. For example, this is device number C and this is device number D. Here this frame will reach, match the, here the destination address is B but here is D. So this will discard the frame. So this machine discard this frame. Here the frame is reached, matching the destination address. Here destination address is B but here destination address is C. So this machine also discard the particular frame. Here reached destination address message and this particular machine or the station will accept the frame. Accept the frame means from which the destination address of the frame match, only that machine or only that station will accept the frame. Other stations will discard this frame. Other stations will discard this frame. Here one important point you note, our hub makes multiple copies and forward to the all outcome direction. Means hub does not have any decision point, any intelligence, no intelligence. So this one have no filtering capability. Hub have no filtering capability. Not filtering capability means does not have any type of intelligence. Means not maintaining any type of table. By matching that table the destination address and we will forward on to the particular port. No, this type of intelligence is not present in the hub. This is mainly a, you can say, a physical layer device. They do not have any link layer address or they do not check any type of other address. You can say physical address or logical address or any type of address of the frame received. They just regenerate the corrupt bits or regenerate the copies and make the signal level up to the original level if some corrupt bits or the energy is lost during the transmission, and just send to the output ports, send that to the all output ports. So this is the main working of the hub. Because of this one we also get some disadvantages. What are the main disadvantages? Hub creates the unnecessary traffic. Hub creates the unnecessary traffic means this will create more and more traffic in the network, and neither collision nor broadcast domain separator. How the broadcast will occur, we already seen. Collision we will say here, we can say this hub plays a different role. If for example this is device number A, this is device number B, this is device number C and this is device number D. Here from the machine frame is transmitted into the hub. Frame is transmitted to the hub. From this one machine D also a frame is transmitted to the hub. Frame is transmitted to the hub. Hub will regenerate or make some multiple copies of these frames and forward to the particular ports. You see here we will get multiple copies. So this direction or this port or this cable also have the 2 copies of frame. This one also have 2 copies of frame. This one have 1 copy of frame from the machine D. This one also have a copy of frame from the machine D. Means mainly the hub will get the number of messages at the same time. Number of messages at the same time, and you can say here the collision is possible. Collision is possible at the hub. Collision means when the packets of two particular or the frames of the two particular machines are collide together and they will drop down or they will lost in the cable or in the network. Packets get collide and they will lost in the network or in the cable. And here you see collision is possible at the hub. Collision is possible at the hub means the collision domain area is the hub itself. Collision domain is the hub itself. Collision domain, we say the area where the collision is possible. Collision domain is the area where the collision is possible, and collision is the when two particular packets are collides, that is a collision. So that's why we are saying hub is neither the collision domain separator or nor the broadcast domain separator. These are the 2 main disadvantages of the hub. 2 main disadvantages of the hub. So this is all about the hub. And from the conclusion, we say that hub is a purely hardware device, no intelligence. This will make a multiple copies of the frame and forward the copies to the particular ports, except the port from which the frame is received.